Prabhuji, Sai Krishna, he chatted me that I want to read translation.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, yeah. So
Okay.
Sai Krishnan. Okay.
Sai Krishna.
Yeah. I'll spotlight him when the
So we'll start. Acha, my screen is visible.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Yes, my voice is clear.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. So Hare Krishna, everybody. Today is chapter 10, Vibhuti Yoga. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurunmalitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Nama Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Prasarine Nirvisesa Sunyavadi Pasyatya Desa Tarine Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So today is Vibhuti Yoga. Vibhuti Yoga means opulence of the Absolute. So opulence of the Lord Krishna is how much beautiful. What are the powers? Actually, in the next chapter, chapter 11, is called the Vishwarupa Darshan Yoga. So Krishna will show the power. Here, Krishna will describe the power. That is called Vibhuti Yoga. Who is Krishna? How much powerful? Okay. So can anyone identify the personality? Here, three persons are there. One person is sleeping, one person is sitting near the head end, another person sitting near the legs. Anyone can tell who are these three persons?
Arpita Murugan and Tamu Rasami. Please unmute your Arpita Murugan and Tamu Rasami. Please unmute.
Yes.
She has sent you the request. If you don't accept, I won't be able to do anything. Yeah. Okay, Prabhuji, you told that even Agnishwar Chatterjee is going to sing the Kirtans, right?
No. You want to read the sloka.
Yeah, that only I mean.
Okay.
Yeah, he came actually. I will spotlight him also.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
Now
I
you
will take to
unmute
the next
someone.
Srikar R. Srikar R.
Yeah, it is Dushrashan, Duryodhan, and Dushrashan, Duryodhan, and Karna.
Who is Dusashan? Right. Who is sleeping? You tell me. Who is sleeping?
Duryodhan.
Oh, okay. Any other person?
Prabhuji, can I tell?
Yes.
Just a minute, Agnishwar Chatterjee, you are going to chant the shlokas, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You can
Okay.
mute. I will unmute you when the correct time because you'll be having a disturbance then. Yeah. Then there is Srikar R. Please unmute Hare Krishna.
Um,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Yes. Who is sleeping?
Srikar R. No. Really? Okay. Then there is R.
I
Yeah.
actually didn't set the correct answer. I forgot to lower my hand. Sorry.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Yeah, then there is Arna.
Yes.
She wants to answer. Please unmute Hare Krishna. Are
Prabhuji,
not.
it's
Who is sleeping?
Shakuni. Is it Shakuni?
No.
Prabhuji, can I tell? I know the answer.
Okay.
Please
Tell
don't
who is talking? Who is
interfere in
talking?
between.
Please tell
Yeah,
your name.
please.
Yes, Prabhuji, the person who is
Name,
sleeping is
name.
Krishna,
Yes.
and the person who is sitting is Duryodhana, and the
Where?
person who is sitting beside Krishna is Arjuna.
Means where? In the leg side or near the head?
Left
Arjuna?
side near the leg.
Oh, yes, yes, very good. So the person
Your
sleeping is
name?
Krishna. What is your name?
Prabhuji Agnishwar.
Oh,
Oh,
Agneshwar. Thank you.
here only.
Thank you. Hare Krishna. So this is sleeping is Krishna, and the person sitting near the head end is Duryodhana, and the person sitting here near the leg end is
Arjuna.
Arjuna. So from here you can understand Duryodhana with a lot of proud. He is very jealous. He is sitting near the head. But Duryodhana, Arjuna is very sober. He likes Krishna so much. A lot of respect towards Krishna. That's why he is sitting like this near the leg end. Okay, so this is like the personality difference. Now the Supreme Lord said, my dear friends, Supreme Lord said to Arjuna, my dear friends, mighty am Arjuna, listen again to my supreme words, which I shall impart to you for your benefit and which will give you the great joy. So now Krishna is telling everything to Arjuna, each and every. Now Krishna told the most confidential knowledge. He told that this knowledge many people cannot understand and not to be told also to many people. But he told to Arjuna and many things he told. Again he is telling, I'll give you some other information about me also. After that you will feel very joyful. This why Krishna is telling everything to Arjuna, because Arjuna is his close associate, a great devotee. Okay, he's non-envious. That is the reason he's very close to Krishna. So if someone want to be very close to Krishna, he should be like Arjuna. He should not be like Duryodhana. He should not be like envious on other people. Okay, he should not be jealous. He should not be proud. All this character are character of Duryodhana. But we should be like Arjuna. Okay, very sober, very humble. We should have great respect towards others and also towards the Krishna. Yes, Agneswar, can you read this?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. Acha, I
I'm
think
starting.
somebody was asking to read the this meaning. Who is he?
Prabhuji, that is Sai
Hare
Krishnan.
Krishna.
Okay. Okay, you read the sloka, Agneswar.
I'll unmute 3 of them because, yeah.
Okay.
Please
Hare
don't
Krishna,
misuse
Guruji.
of it.
Hare
Do okay.
Krishna.
Slowly, slowly.
Hare Krishna, Guruji.
Yes, Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, can I start?
Yes.
Yeah, start, start.
ना मे विधिउ सुरा गणः प्रभावं न महर्षयः अधम अधिर हि देवानं महर्षिणं च सर्वसः.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, Sai Krishnan.
Yeah, neither the host or demigods nor the great sages, you know my origin for in every respect. I am the source of demigods and the sages.
Yes.
10.3. He knows
Yes.
me, he who knows me as the unborn and the beginningless, as the supreme God of all words, he undiluted among men is freed from all signs.
Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
Guruji.
Thank you. So what he is telling, Krishna is telling to Arjun, I'll tell you, I'll give you some knowledge so that you'll be very happy. And he's telling, neither the host of demigods nor great sages know my origin. So this is very confidential knowledge. Many people does not know. Like demigods, like sages, I am the source of demigods and sages. So Krishna is the source of demigod and sages, but they also do not know about the Krishna, much thing about the Krishna, what is his origin and all. Then he is telling, he who knows me as the unborn, the beginningless, as Supreme Lord of all the world, he undiluted among the many is free from all sin. So Krishna is actually unborn. He has never taken birth and is never going to be destroyed. Beginningless and endless. So who knows this thing, he will be a great devotee and he will be sinless. All the sin will be lost. Okay. Now the 7 great sages, and before them the 4 other great sages, and the Manus, progenitor of mankind, are born out of my mind, and all creatures in this planet descend from them. So Krishna is telling almost everybody has come from Krishna in different spaces. Like he told great sages, 7 sages first, then 4 sages, Manu, all of them came from Krishna's mind. Then all the humanity in the universe are created by them only. Okay, so that means everybody are related to Krishna. Yes, this sloka.
एतं विभूतिं योगं च मम यो वेति तत्त्वतः सोऽविकल्पेन योगेन युज्यते नत्र संशयः.
Yes.
Prabhuji, I can't find him actually. He's not unmuting. Actually, I've sent him the request, but he's not unmuting.
Okay, Agneshwari, you only read.
Yeah.
Prabhuji. He who knows in truth this glory and power of mine engages in unalloyed devotional service of this, there is no doubt.
Yes. So Krishna is telling very few people know me actually. So great sages, some demigods also do not know about me. But he who knows the truth, this glory and power of mine, Krishna is very powerful, very glorious. The person who knows this, he engages in unalloyed devotional service. And up there is no doubt. So Krishna is telling it is very difficult for yogi, the meditators. Meditators means, I told you which yoga they are practicing. Meditator means, can anyone tell?
Okay, Hare Krishna. There is
Yogi practices which yoga? So there are
yeah,
4 yoga.
there is Akshaya who wants
Yes.
to answer.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Can you tell?
It is Bhakti Yoga.
No. You see there are 4 yoga: Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Dhyana Yoga and Bhakti Yoga. So meditators or yogi?
Jnana Yoga.
No.
Prabhuji Sai Krishna is online. Please
Okay.
don't interfere. I will choose. Yeah, I have particular people who is raising their hands. Then there is TD. Please unmute Hare Krishna.
Yogi, meditators, they practice which yoga?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes.
Prabhuji, they do Jnana Yoga.
No. Meditators means always they meditate. Which yoga that one? They will do different types of asana, pranayam, meditation. Which yoga that one?
Okay, then there is Sachi Kedar Afale. Please unmute Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, I've got one answer.
Yeah.
A person has it's Dhyana Yoga.
Yes.
Ninand R.
Yes. So usually meditators, they do dhyana yoga, meditation. Okay. So
Yeah,
Krishna is
2-3
telling,
people have told.
yes, yes. So Krishna is telling, those who meditate, they also cannot know me. Those even demigods also cannot know me, but very few people can know me. Those people are usually the devotees. Devotees practice the bhakti yoga or devotional service. That's why devotee or who practice devotional service are the superior to everyone. Even they are superior to demigods. Okay, that's why Krishna is telling, who knows my glory and my power, then engages in devotional service, no doubt. Okay, so devotee are always superior to yogi. Yes, this one.
Yes, Prabhuji. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha.
Yes,
Guruji, can I read?
yes,
I am the source of all spiritual and material world. Everything emanates from me. The wise who know this perfectly engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts.
yes. So everybody please note down this sloka 10.8, 9, 10 and 11. These 4 sloka are called Chatusloki. Okay, 10.8, 10.9, 10.10 and 10.11. These 4 are called
Chatusloki.
Chatusloki. The meaning of Chatusloki is, if you cannot understand Bhagavad Gita or cannot read Bhagavad Gita completely, this 4 sloka is the essence of Bhagavad Gita. If you can understand this, mostly you understood complete Bhagavad Gita. That's why these 4 sloka are very important for Bhagavad Gita. So what Krishna is telling, Aham sarvasya prabhavaha matah sarvam pravartate iti matva vajante mam buddha bhava samannita. I am the source of all spiritual and material world. So there is a spiritual world, there is a material world. We are in the material world. Krishna is in spiritual world. So everything spiritual and material came from Krishna only. Everything emanates from me. The wise who know this perfectly engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their heart. So who knows this thing? Now we are reading this and we came to know. But few people know already, the Jnani, the knowledgeable person. So they also practice the devotional service because they know Krishna is so much powerful and with so much opulence. Next.
Yes, Prabhuji. Machita madgada prana bodhya antah parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha.
Yes.
Of my pure devotees dwell in me, live their lives and surrender to me, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss, enlightened and one another and conversing about me.
Yes. So you can see this picture, they're all devotee, Prabhupada and his disciples. They're so peaceful, so happy. Why? The Krishna is telling the reason. The thought of my pure devotee dwell in me. Their lives are surrendered to me, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss, enlightening one another. So Krishna is telling, whoever surrendered to me, who think about me always, he'll be always peaceful, always happy. So that is the reason my devotees are always happy, always peaceful. Next.
Yes, Prabhuji. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te.
Yes.
To those who are constantly devoted and worship me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me.
Yes. So Krishna is little bit partial towards the devotee. Krishna is telling, I am impartial to everybody. I don't interfere with anyone. But for devotee, he is little partial. How? He is telling, to those who are constantly devoted and worship me with love, I give the understanding by which he can come to me. So Krishna will give the knowledge. That means if you like Krishna, constantly do the devotional service, slowly Krishna will manifest in your heart and you will be able to understand many things. And this is because of the knowledge given by Krishna to your heart. Acha, can anyone tell on the picture who is a child standing like this?
I know, Guruji.
Who?
It's Dhruv, Guruji. Dhruv.
Yes, yes. Dhruva, okay, Dhruva Maharaj. So in the childhood, he went and did meditate on Vishnu. Okay. Next.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, can I continue?
Yes.
Okay, Prabhuji. Tesham evanukam partam aham ajnanajam tamah nyashayam yatma bhavasto jnana deepena baswat.
Out of composition for them, I dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance.
Yes. So Krishna is telling, so this is the end of the Chatusloki, 8, 9, 10, 11. The art of compassion for them, I, dwelling in their heart, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. That means he's telling that my devotee, whatever small ignorance is there in their heart, I destroy everything by the knowledge. So when you start practicing devotional service, you will have great knowledge. Slowly you will develop. You can understand many things which you are not able to understand before, and the bad quality within you will be destroyed slowly, and that is because of the mercy of Krishna. Okay, so that's why we told you to start the devotional service, and the most primitive devotional service is chanting. Every day, if you chant something, that is also devotional service. So you will develop great knowledge in your heart. Now, can anyone tell the pictures? Who are they? Top picture. Who is sitting here?
Ronit.
Who is
Yes,
sitting here?
Yes, Archita, you can unmute. Hare Krishna. Okay, see Lloyd. Pragya Sapatra. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, he is Parikshit Raja.
Who?
The upper picture, who is sitting there.
Okay, sitting down or sitting up?
Sitting down.
Yes, Parikshit Maharaj. And who is sitting up?
Vedavyas Guru means son.
Yes.
I don't know the
Vedavyas'
name.
son. The name is Sukadev Goswami. Okay, Sukadev Goswami. Okay, so that is fine. And can you see who is this picture? Down left. Who is telling what?
Yes, Sarna, you can unmute. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Hare Krishna. Who is this?
Kunti. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Can you tell?
Kunti.
No,
Mirabai.
no. Any other person can tell? Who is speaking to
Agastya, you
whom?
can try. Hare Krishna.
Sorry, Prabhuji, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. I'll tell. He is Kapila Muni. Okay, he is also one of the incarnation of Krishna only, Kapila Muni, and he is giving knowledge to his mother, Devahuti and Kapila Muni. Okay, and this right side, Krishna and Uddhava. Okay, so like this, everybody are giving knowledge to their disciples. So because they are great devotees. Yes.
Yes, see,
This
Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
shloka.
Arjuna Vacha Param Brahma Param Dharma Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Ajam Vivam Auswam Rishiya Sarve Deva Rishi Naradastata Asito Devalo Vyasa Swaevam Chaiva Brasvame.
Arjun said, "You are the supreme Brahman, the ultimate, the supreme, about the purifier, the absolute truth, and the indolent divine person. You are the primal God, transcendental and original. You are the unborn and all pervading beauty. All the great sages, such as Narada, Asita, Devalaya, and Vyasa, proclaim this is you, and now you yourself are declaring it to me."
Yes. So Arjun, after hearing this word from Krishna, now became ecstatic. Okay, so he completely almost surrendering to Krishna and telling, "Oh Krishna, you are the supreme Brahman, the ultimate, the supreme abode, and the purifier, the absolute truth, and the eternal divine person. You are the primordial God, transcendental and original, and you are unborn, all-pervading beauty. So he told that Krishna is the absolute. He accepted. Okay, so this is just like a prayer given to Krishna by Arjuna. He told that about you, many people have already declared, like Narada, Asita, Devala, Vyasadeva, they have told already you are the supreme. But now in this Bhagavad Gita, you yourself is declaring that you are supreme. Okay, so he has gone to ecstasy.
Yes,
Yes,
Prabhuji.
yes.
Sarvam etatritam manye yenmam vadasi kesava ahite bhagavan vyaktim vidurdevana danvaha.
O Krishna, I totally accept as truth all that you have told me. Neither the gods nor demons, O Lord, nor thy personality. 10.50. Needed you alone, you know yourself by your own potencies. O origin of all, Lord of all being, God of gods, O supreme person, Lord of the universe.
Okay. So Arjuna is telling, oh Krishna, I totally accept as the truth all that you have told me, neither the gods nor demons. Okay. This nobody knows your thy personality means your personality. So it's so secret knowledge Krishna has given to Arjun. Arjun is accepting because he's a great devotee. Indeed, you alone know yourself by your own potency. So he's telling that nobody knows about Krishna, the potency of Krishna, the power of Krishna. Only Krishna only knows about this. O origin of all lords, all beings, gods, God of gods, O supreme person, Lord of the universe. So he's telling you are the supreme of everything, and you are the source of everybody, even the God, goddess. Okay. Yes. So how should I meditate on you? Now Arjun is asking, you are so great, you are so supreme. Now how shall I meditate on you? In what various form are you to be contemplated, O blessed Lord? Tell me again in detail, O Janardana, Krishna, to your mighty potency and glory, for I never tire of hearing your ambrosial word. So he's telling, you are the greatest, you are the supreme. So please tell me about you more and more and more. I am not being tired by hearing your glories. They are so beautiful, so beautiful. Now the blessed Lord said, yes, I'll tell you my splendors, manifestation, but only of those who are prominent, O Arjuna, for my opulence is limitless. So he's telling, yes, I'll tell about my glory, my splendors, but I cannot describe everything because it is limitless. It will take many, many years to describe. So, but the prominent features, prominent persons, I'll tell you who are coming from me. Now this picture, can anyone tell? Someone unmute. Who is this person?
Yes, Abhyut, you can unmute. Hare
Can you
Krishna.
tell who is this person?
This is Lord Brahma.
Yes, Lord Brahma. Now, who is this person?
So this is Lord Shiva.
Yes, Lord Shiva. Now, who is this elephant?
Hey. So this is Iravat.
Airavat. Who is sitting over the Airavat? This person who is sitting over Airavat?
Prabhuji, can I?
Indra.
Yes. Just 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute. Just.
क्या है देख, सोई नहीं है तो नींद
Hare Krishna. Now, can you tell who is this Harsh?
Yes, Abhyuday.
Yes. Prabhuji, what were you asking?
This Harsh
This
name.
horse.
Horse.
Yes. Who is this?
Prabhuji, I don't remember.
Prabhuji, can I
name.
once
Okay.
try?
Yes,
It's
yes.
Prabhuji, its
Yes.
name Badal.
What?
Badal.
No. This Harsh name is Ucheshrava. 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 Who is this person? Holding the bow. Who is this
Ram.
person? Yes, Lord Rama. Okay. Now, who is this person?
Narada Muni.
Narad
Muni,
Muni.
yes. Now, can you tell who is this bird?
Lord
Brahma.
Lord
Garuda.
Brahma.
Garuda.
Garuda, yes.
Garuda.
God.
Garuda.
Vahan of Lord Vishnu.
Yes. What is this fish?
Matsya Avatar.
Shark. Okay. Who is this person?
Arjuna.
No. You see, is sitting over
Sorry,
peacock.
he's Kumara Swami.
Kumara Swami.
Kumar Swami.
Kartikeya.
Kartikeya, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, na? Who is this? What is this?
Lion है ये तो. Narasimha.
No, this is lion. Okay. Then who is this person holding all the jewels, wealth? Who is this?
I think Agnidev.
Agnidev.
No, this all the wealth is there with him.
Kuber.
Kuber.
Yes, Kubera.
Kuber, sorry, yeah. Kuber.
Yes. Who is sleeping here?
Lord Vishnu.
Lord
Vishnu.
And he's sleeping over what?
Sheshnag.
Vasuki snake. Vasuki snake.
Sheshnag. Not
No,
Vasuki.
not Vasuki. It's Sesnag.
Sheshnag.
Okay, Vasuki is here. You can see here Vasuki.
अच्छा ये वास.
No,
Lord
Guruji,
Sheshnag is villain.
near
Now who is
Lord
this?
Shiva.
Krishna.
Lord Krishna.
Yes. So everything you knew about Krishna. So all these are expansion of Krishna. Krishna is telling, I am everything. Now you see, somebody was asking about Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma. Here
Prabhuji,
Krishna.
who is the on the top right corner of the green color?
Lord
He's
Rama.
Lord Rama.
Ram.
Yes, Lord Rama. Ram. So Krishna is telling, you can see the text 10.21, Krishna is telling, Adityanam Aham Vishnu. So I am also, Krishna is Vishnu, Adityanam. Same 10.23 is telling Rudranam Sankaras Jasmi. So I am the Lord Shiva. Out of all Rudras, I am Lord Shiva. And same in 10. I think 33 is telling creators, I am the Brahma. Of the creators, how many creators are there? I am the Brahma. So Krishna is telling my expansion, Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, all are my expansion only. I am Shiva, I am Brahma, I am Vishnu. Okay, now you understood the position of Shiva. Okay, now all these are things we have already discussed. See, Adityanam Aham Vishnu. Out of all Adityas, I am Vishnu. Now if you go, see, all the creators, I am the Brahma. And Shiva also will be there somewhere here.
Yes, the Guruji, that's Lord Shiva, Rudras.
Yes, Lord Shiva. Rudranam
Lord
Aham
Shiva, Rudras.
Yeah. So Krishna is everything. He is Vishnu, he is Shiva, he is also Brahma. He is Kapila Muni, that you have seen Kapila Muni and Devahuti. He is also this is Ucheshrava. Horses, Ucheshrava. Elephant is Airavat. Okay. In Pandavas, I am Arjuna. Out of sages, I am Vyasadeva. Okay, so Vyasadeva is the incarnation of Krishna. Now here he is telling. So some people asking when Krishna told Arjuna about the Bhagavad Gita, Vyasadeva was not there. So how he came to know about what Krishna told to Arjuna? So this because Vyasadeva is Krishna himself. So he can know everything. Okay, that is the reason some people asking. So next, furthermore, O Arjuna, I am the generating seed of all existence. There is no being moving or unmoving that can exist without me. He is telling that I am the seed for all existence. Okay, from me everything originates. O mighty conqueror of enemy, there is no end to my divine manifestation. What I have spoken to you is but a mere indication of my infinite opulence. So Krishna is telling whatever I told you, it is just a fraction of my manifestation. It is unlimited, but I have told you only the fractions. Okay, so it's not possible to tell everything. Only the important thing I have told you. Yes, Sloka?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes.
यद्यत् विभूतिमात् सत्त्वं श्रीमद्पूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेव गच्छत्वं मम तेजोंश संभवम्. Know that all beautiful. Sorry.
Okay, no, you continue.
Know that all beautiful, glorious, and mighty creations spring from my spark of my splendor.
Yes. So Krishna is telling everything came from me. Aham sarvasya prabhava matah sarvam pravartate. So whatever you see beautiful thing in the world, when you open the eye, you see so beautiful world. So everything has came from Krishna only. Can anyone tell what is this picture? Who is this baby?
Lord Krishna.
Prabhuji, Lord Krishna.
What is doing?
He's borning again. Guruji.
Where?
He's taking birth again.
He's sitting on a leaf.
Leaf.
No,
Yeah,
no,
he's
no.
eating his leg, Prabhuji.
Yes. Why is it in the leg?
See, Prabhuji is keeping his leg north.
Why?
I think hungry.
No. This is during the pralaya. You can see everything is destroying. So in that pralaya, Krishna is sleeping on a leaf and he's testing the leg, lotus feet. Why? Lotus feet, because he wanted to test why all the devotees are always worshipping the lotus feet. What is the glory of this lotus feet? What is the test? Is it sweet? That's why he's testing. Okay, because all the devotees, they always meditate on the lotus feet. They want the lotus feet only. That's why you want to test what is there in the lotus feet. Okay. Next.
Hare Krishna Guruji. Atava bahuna taina kim nyatena tava arjuna vishaptavyam idam krishnam ekanchena shito jagat.
Prabhuji, can I read the translation?
Yes, read.
Okay, Prabhuji. But what need is there, Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? With a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support this entire universe.
Yes. So Krishna is telling what I have told you, it is just a fraction. And one of the fraction of this energy has created all this entire universe. So that means Krishna is so great, so unlimited, you cannot imagine. Very fraction of energy created this material world. So that means how much is his potency? Yeah, that's why it's telling. Ekam sena sthita jagat. With fraction of my energy, full material world has been created. So this is all about the opulence of Krishna.